Yes, good morning. Today is the 9th of August 2023. What an amazing trade, guys. Let me explain to you Euro USD. Beautiful. As you have seen in my previous analysis, we've been short yesterday. Once the price broken, we have amazing profit. As mentioned at the Asian session, if we were looking this at this level, as explained, my trader look for this breakout. If the price gonna break, just keep taking a pullback. If the price is going to respect this level, look for pullback short. So let me explain to you how I analyze the entry. That was the pretty straightforward. As you can see here, previous analysis, we've been short, bank amazing profit. So at the Asian session, pretty straightforward as explained. You can see here the previously price respected here many times. So as explained, if the market is going to respect short, but more likely, let's look at this breakout, which is a part of the training. And as you can see here, market nicely broken, even retest without the changing the color of candlestick. Price nicely hit our first target, and that's what explained my trader this morning. Enjoy amazing profit. All right, guys, you want to see all that analysis in real time? Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.